Hi children, in this class we will start with the unit 5, that is self-reliance. What is this self-reliance? Self-reliance is nothing but knowing our own ability and also the power. It means that we are able to do some, especially all the human beings are born with a special things in them. Someone are special in swimming, someone are specialist in cycling. We must know our power and also we must realize it before the others would realize it. Here are some questions. Is there a hero or anti-hero in you? Yes, we are all having some hero. We are all able to do some work. Someone are, as I said, someone are special in writing neatly, someone are special in reading, someone are special in sports. Is he a noble or ignoble? Yes, he is noble. Sometimes someone will be noble. They know that they are having ability to read well. But sometimes someone will be having some questions in their mind. Oh, I can't read it, or I am not able to read it. So, someone are knowable and also someone are ignoble. Is he helpful or dangerous? If we use them in a correct way, it will be helpful to us. If we use them in a wrong way, it will be dangerous to us. It means that, for example, in you are reading in exams and you are getting a top score. But if your friend is not reading, he is thinking that he is not able to read and he can't read. At that time, what he will do? He will tow your papers, or he will say that you have did copied. These are all the dangerous things. But he should not do like that. He should realize himself that he can do and he can be able to read. When the hero in you wants to come out, do you usually suppress him or allow him to come out? Yeah, sometimes we allow him to come out. Sometimes in a fear, what we will do? We won't allow him to come out. For example, if your teacher asks you a questions, someone will get up, stand and also answer it. He will not having some fear in him that it will be wrong or right. But someone who knows the true answer, that is, he will be knowing the right answer, but he is not able to stand because he is having some fear in him. Find out an animal in the book that feels ashamed of itself. Okay, here we have to find some animal that feels ashamed of itself. Ninage Neene Geleya, Ninage Neene. It is written by Gopala Krishna Adiga. Read the poem. Okay, you may find it in somewhere. Read it and also look at the poem. Who is ashamed of itself? Okay. That morning I had lost all hopes of my future. I went out and sat under a tree in a field in a dejected mood. To divert myself, I began to watch a kid riding a bicycle at a distance. He must be practicing, I thought. Then when I looked away for a moment, I heard a scream. I did not know what had happened, but the kid had fallen into a ditch. And he was screaming. The boy's bicycle was also in a bad shape. Okay, what is happening? Once morning, the poet or the speaker who is in the poem, he was thinking about the future and sat in a park or somewhere near the tree in a dejected mood, in a very wrong mood. But he saw one child, he was riding a bicycle at a distance. And suddenly he saw a screaming voice, in a very loud voice. And also he was he was not knowing what had happened. But when he went near him, he saw that he was fallen in a long narrow channel. And his bicycle was also in a very bad shape. I went to help him. No thanks, the kid replied. I can help myself. He schemed to be a self-reliant child. He did not want others to show mercy on him. Okay, the speaker went near him. he told the child that I will help him. The child replied, no thanks, I don't want your help. I can help myself, because he was self-reliance. He had the ability to do the things by himself only. He picked up the broken cycle and limped back to his house. Okay, what he did, he picked that broken cycle. The cycle was in a very bad condition. He took that bicycle and went back to his house. If this child can do this, can you also be a self-reliant person? Can't you? I actually heard someone whisper this in my mind. Grace seemed to have descended on me. I felt a strong urge to deal with my problems, my depressions and my negative thoughts. Okay, when he saw the child, he was very happy to see that the child was having a very self-reliant. It was a small matter, but also he thought that sometimes it was whispering in his mind is nothing but murmuring that I can also do, right? Why I can't do anything? I can solve all my problems. I can get out from depression. Depression is nothing but having more problems and becoming addicted to the problems. And also I am able to get out of my negative thoughts also. The speaker was thinking. He was thinking all this, how I can deal with it, all my problems, and how I can be strong, and also how can I become a self-reliant. I went home and picked up a book to read. It was Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. On the page I opened, those lines appeared. Once when a disciple pleaded his helplessness with Swami Vivekananda, Swamiji turned. What nonsense are you talking? Within you lies indomitable power. Only thinking, I am nothing, you have become powerless. It's just escapism to say, I am so miserable. Every man has his burden to bear. Okay? What he did, the speaker went back to his home and took one book, and it was the book written by Swami Vivekananda. As he opened the first page, he thought that Swami Vivekananda is speaking to him. What nonsense you are talking? Swami Vivekananda is replying to him. What the nonsense you are talking? You are thinking by yourself that you are not able to do nothing and you are powerless. You are only the man who is thinking that you are powerless, and also you can't do anything. And you are not able to do things, means you must be strong. You should not discourage. You are yourself discouraging your powers. You should not do that. Swami Vivekananda did not suffer fools. He did not tolerate any kind of the foolishness. If you are miserable, try to conquer your misery and try to be calm. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Do not be weakling. Take all your responsibilities on your shoulders, and now that you are a creator of your own destiny. Yes, we must, all will be having problems, all will be having some conditions, all will be having in a depression mood. All are not born with the same minded, all are not born with a same mind, all are not born with the same heart, all are not born with a money. Everyone are having problems. What we have to do, we have to have some self-reliance, we have to have some ability to solve all our personal problems. We must not escape from the problem. We should reveal what is the problem and how we should do the solutions to it. And also we must conquer complete control over our mind. We must be bold, we must be strong, we must not be weakened. We must know our destiny. We must take all our responsibilities on our shoulders, and also we must create our own destiny. It is a big error to feel helpless. All the strength and success you want is within you. Okay, it is big error, is nothing but it is a big, very big wrong we are doing, that we are helpless. We feel that someone want to help us. Okay, in exam, if you didn't read, you will be dependent on your friend. If he has not shown you, ultimately you will be fail. We should not dependent on someone, right? We should read ourselves. At least if we read something, we get some marks in the exam. That if we didn't read anything, we will write whatever our friends show, but we don't know it is right or wrong, and it is not good for our success also. If we cannot help ourselves, there is none to help us. To think that there is someone in sweet delusions, this is the greatest lesson we should learn. Okay, we must help ourselves. We must not be dependent on others for any work. When we are not helping ourselves, why others will help us? Yes, we should not imagine or dream that someone will come and someone will help us, because this is the greatest lesson of the life. None else can help you. Friend, get a hold on yourself, then stand up. Don't be afraid in the midst of all the miseries and all weakness. Let the self come out, faint and impracticable through it be at first. Okay, gradually we will be getting all the problems that maybe we are afraid of something. All are not born with a bold mind, all are not born with a sharp mind. Everyone are having some different qualities. Everyone are having different specialties. But we must be bold. We must have the self-reliance to solve any problems. We must stand strong. Okay, in this lesson we understand that we must not be dependent on others. We must have self-confidence that we can do it. Okay, thank you all.